Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. So, warm up is an integral part of any fitness routine, be it yoga or any other form of workout. Today, I'm going to teach you 10 yoga movements that I love doing as part of my warm up, especially in the mornings when I'm quite stiff. So, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
First is neck rotations. Come into a cross-legged sitting position with your back straight. Turn your neck from left to right 5 times. Then turn it side to side 5 times. Keep your shoulders pressed down. And then up and down 5 times. Finally, start rotating your neck in clockwise direction 5 times. And then 5 times in anti-clockwise direction. Second is shoulder rotations. Bring your fingers to your shoulders and start making big rounds with your elbows going in backward direction. Do 10 rounds. Inhale as your elbows go up and exhale on your way down. Then reverse the direction for 10 rounds. Make the rounds as big as possible and see if you can touch your elbows together when they come in front. Third is an easy twist. Bring your left hand on the outside of the right knee. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, twist to the right. Keep your right hand on the ground behind your back for support. Slowly come back and repeat on the other side. Fourth is eagle arms. Bring your right arm over your left arm and then interlace your arms. Bring your elbows up. Breathe deeply into the stretch you feel between your shoulder blades. Slowly release and repeat on the other side. Fifth is CatCow. Come into a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and knees below the hips. As you inhale, let your belly drop and curl your spine as you gaze up. Then as you exhale, suck in your navel and curve your spine as you gaze down towards your belly. Repeat 10 of these. Sixth is puppy pose. In the tabletop position, walk your hands out and start lowering your forehead to the ground. Keep your hips stacked over your knees. If you want to intensify the stretch in the shoulders, try to touch your chin to the ground as you look forward. Slowly come back. Seventh is downward dog. In the tabletop position, curl your toes in, take a deep breath in And as you exhale, push your hands and feet into the ground and lift your hips up to come into downward facing dog. You can walk your dog a few times by straightening one leg at a time to open up the hamstrings. Keep pressing your chest in towards your thighs. Take a few deep breaths here as you lift your tailbone up towards the sky. Slowly bring your knees down and come to Child's Pose. You should do this 3 times. 8th is Bhujangasana or the Cobra Pose. Lie down on your tummy with your legs straight and feet together. Keep your hands next to your shoulders. Then as you inhale, lift your chest up while keeping your navel, hips and legs firmly rooted on the ground. Keep your shoulders relaxed and rolled back and down. Keep your legs engaged and lengthening back. Slowly come back. You can do this 3 times. 9th is half split. Come into a low lunge with your right foot forward and left knee on the ground. Keep your right knee stacked over your right ankle. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, start pushing your hips back till your right leg becomes straight. Keep your right foot flexed such that the toes are pointing up. Bring your torso forward and breathe into the stretch you feel in your right hamstring. Again, push your hips forward to come to a low lunge. We'll do 4 more of these repetitions. Go back to half split as you push your hips back. Try to keep your back straight as you bend forward. Again, come to low lunge. Keep pushing the hips forward to feel the stretch in the front of the left thigh. Then switch your legs and repeat for the other side. Finally, 10th is Pigeon Pose. From the low lunge, bring your left knee down and the left ankle close to the right hand. Square your hips so that they are at the same level, pointing forward. From here, you can bend forward and either come onto your elbows or go all the way down as you feel the stretch in your hip flexors. Stay here for a few breaths. Slowly come up, switch the legs and lie down in Pigeon Pose. Keep breathing into the stretch you feel in your right hip flexor. And come back. Hope you enjoyed these 10 stretches and will incorporate them in your daily practice. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'll see you soon with a new episode. Bye-bye.